So hello from Shandong National Park near Dongying Wetland City. We are here to celebrate Wetland Cities and we've been spending the past few days working together with the Mayors Roundtable and also with our colleagues from the Ramsar Regional Center, East Asia. The Wetland City initiative was really initiated with you guys and you've done a lot of work on developing it and promoting it. Could you tell us a bit more about the Ramsar Regional Center East Asia's role in delivering that?
We actually proposed this network to the Wetland Cities. So at the Ramsar COP13 in Dubai, so we organized a special side event for the Wetland Cities to give them more spotlights. So Wetland City mayors, they were happy, and then we wanted to do more activities together with the Wetland Cities. And all agreed, and then this is the third Mayors Roundtable. So Mayors Roundtable means it's a decision makers conference. So when they make the decision, it's quite to the cities. So we want to do more with the Wetland Cities, and then Wetland Cities will be the model. I mean, demonstrating all the Ramsar guidelines, guidances, principles, and then this will be the influential, brightening and shining cities among others. So we will influence continuously to others.
Excellent. Yep, it's a great initiative, really good way of impacting on big urban populations. And we've seen two examples here at the meeting from Amiens, France, and from Morocco as well. So we have wetland centers in the Mediterranean region. If you want to know more or apply yourselves, then please do get in touch. Thank you, Mr. Suk.
Thank you. Thank you very much.